when you see you, which must be all the time, I mean, I probably watch Bridesmaids, I don't know, 3 or 4 times a year. Are you comfortable watching you just because it's fun to see you with all these other people and you're not really you, you're that character?
Well, I don't love it. I was a fan of The Office before I got cast on the show, so I always watched The Office. And then, you know this, being on camera, then you're watching yourself and it's a little weird. I will say with The Office, it feels like kind of like you're going through your old yearbook. So if I'm this sounds like I hear people say this, I'm like, really? You were just channel surfing and The Office was on? But if I'm like, if it is on and I see it, I do think, oh, I remember, you know, it was really hot that day. And there's my friend
Right.
or whatever. But it is, I don't know, how do you feel? Of course, you're sort of playing yourself, so it's different.
I never watch me. You know, I remember it was over 20 years ago. I was on the Today Show, asked me on to do 30-minute meals with Al Roker more than 20 years ago. That's how I got my gig at Food Network. And I never watched it. And apparently I said groovy. And like gajillions of people in the grocery store, or in the street, or at the drugstore, hey, groovy. And I'm like, what's the matter with these people? Why is everybody saying groovy?
Yep.
No, I've never watched me my whole life.
First of all, you are insane because you should watch yourself. You're a gift to, you know, our country. And so like people really love you. You should join in on that. But I also understand that because it's like hearing your voice on the answering machine. You're like, oh,
It's so weird. It's so weird, right?
Right.